This is not my story. It was sent to me by a follower on TikTok, and this is her true life experience. My mom died when I was a baby, so I stayed with my grandmom in the village until the age of 7. When my father remarried, he sent for me to come back to Lagos. I met my stepmother. She already had a daughter before she married my dad. My dad wanted to put me in a private school, but my stepmother disagreed that I should be in a public school to save money. Meanwhile, her daughter was in a private school. I would hawk food for my stepmother even before going to school, and also take her daughter to school even before I go to school. After a while, my father told me that I would go live with a woman and help her do her chores, more like a house help. And this woman had promised to sponsor my education. I had no choice, so I left. While staying with this woman, she was very nice to me. She put me in a private school that I really loved, and she was just so nice. Everything just went south when her husband came back. He wasn't staying with us all those while, so he just came back from wherever he went. I know nothing about that. On the fateful day he came back, I came back home for school and I was doing my chores. He came to me and said I should meet him in the bedroom. I did that because I was so small and nothing was just in my mind. When I went to the room, he told me I should pull off my clothes and lay on the bed. I refused, and this man gave me the beating of my life. He forced me, tore my clothes, and used his wife's heels on my head and forced himself on me. I was only 9 years old when this thing happened. He then threatened me thereafter not to tell anyone about it. If not, he will return me back to my father. Then I remember that my father warned me that on no occasion should they bring me back, and if they do, I should not bother coming to his house. I should just go somewhere else or he would disown me. So I had to pick up myself and continue like nothing happened. Meanwhile, I was in serious pain. I couldn't confide in his wife because I was scared, so I kept everything to myself. And that's because I felt that that was going to be the last time, but I did not know that it would never end there. This man made this a routine. He turned it into a everyday duty. Whenever his wife goes out to work, he would turn around and come and rape me. This man would even beat me up sometimes, saying, "Why is my kitty so tight?" that he gave me an assignment to dip my fingers down there and widen it so it would not be stressing him out. This continued every day until the age of 13. That's when I started having my period. My madam called me on a fateful day and told me, "Now you've started your period, I should not allow any man touch me. If not, I will get pregnant." Still as I was then, I was very scared. So that very day she told me this, I went to church and confided in a lady. I told her everything I've been going through in the house, and she actually gave me the courage to tell his wife. And if he ever tries to touch me again, I should run away and come straight to her house. So one afternoon, he came to rape me again, and I told him that I'm now seeing my period and I can get pregnant. He now said it's no problem. Eventually I get pregnant. He can just tell his wife it's the driver that got me pregnant. I swear I don't know what got into me that day. I was just so angry, so I told him I will not do it. I started screaming and shouting and he left me. I ran outside of the compound. I sat down and I waited for his wife to come back so that I can just tell her everything. Omo, our time don't finish. Just like and follow me so you no go miss part 2.
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all.